can talk if you
I
need
can
to.
talk. Can I talk?
Yes, you can.
Look. This. Cold water. Glad I put my teeth in.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Well, I don't have your face too much in it.
Oh, well,
anyhow.
then darn.
But now I know it's safe to do so.
Okay, the harder the pressure, the more foam you're going to get.
Okay.
But if you just take and flip them, that foam kind of goes away.
Oh, okay.
But you want to rinse and all that stuff off your teeth.
Okay. And you don't want to do that with the green beans for obvious reasons.
Well,
Because they'll disintegrate on you pretty much.
if you beat them up, yeah.
Okay.
And they don't have the
The
starch on them.
That's the starch. Okay, got it.
So
You put the green beans on after you get that stuff.
Yeah.
Okay.
You just give them a quick rinse. And I look, because sometimes these beans have the ends, only you'll see more of a
I sometimes bitten
stem.
into those. And
I try to get them.
I know. I
Yeah,
where they're there.
this is when you look for them is now, where you can see them.
I see. Okay.
Okay, so
Great.
just,
I wouldn't have thought of that.
okay,
All right.
because I try to get them, but I know I miss them sometimes.
Okay.
Okay, just let that sit, and then that drains while you're doing your onions.
Okay.
And I take about a quarter of an onion. And the little blue knife works the best.
Okay.
This is the sharpest. And then I just try to slice them thin, as soon as you can get them. You want to zoom in. And it's probably about a whole quarter of an onion.
Okay.
For your salad. I suppose you can cut your onions any way you want to.
Yeah.
This was the way I was taught to do
Sure.
the salad, so this is the way I
Sure.
do it. But that's probably about enough. Maybe
Yeah.
just slice it a little bit more. Now if you see how I did this onion, you want to leave a little bit of the end on that onion
Okay.
so it does not fall apart.
Okay.
The bottom end.
Okay.
Okay. Then that way, when you're cutting for your little cubes things, and take the top of that, you just want to make little slices from that point. That holds your onion together.
Oh, okay.
So when you go to make your little, you just take
Okay,
that.
I'll master that sometime.
See, and it just gives you all your little chunks there.
Okay.
And you go down to your end piece.
Yeah, and toss it. Okay.
That keeps all your onion together.
Okay. Yeah, thanks for going over that.
So I'm not going to do it all. I'll let you do the little chunks here.
Okay.
But I just wanted to show you how I do it.
Yeah. Because a lot of times I'll think about doing that and I go, never mind. I
know.
forget.
Yeah. If you just remember, don't take that bottom you know, the root end,
Yeah.
it holds it together.
Okay, the root end.
The root end.
Okay, got it.
See, when you look at your onion,
Oh yeah.
this is your top end. This is your root end.
Okay, sure.
And when you cut that off, you just barely cut it.
Okay.
If you just want to get that stuff off of it.
Oh, okay.
Because that just holds your onion together.
Okay.
So, okay. Get just a little bit more there. Okay. Kelly was still sleeping yesterday morning. So
Wow.
I'm not worried too much about that. Okay, then you throw your onions on top.
Okay.
Salt. Garlic salt. Red pepper. Black pepper. Okay.
Okay.
How about we use the measuring spoons? Would that
Okay.
work?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
And that is which one?
A teaspoon.
Okay.
Teaspoon of salt. Regular salt. See, I usually just pour it in my hand.
Okay. It'll give. I can do that too, but it'll give me an idea as to
Of
like
how
how
much?
much.
Okay, teaspoon of garlic salt.
Okay.
I don't know about this. I just usually see.
I have trouble with that one too, by the way.
Pepper, I'm just half a teaspoon.
Okay.
And flakes to taste.
Okay. Fire it up.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay. That'll leave me thinking about it for a couple minutes after I'm done eating it.
Okay. Oil. About that much. About 3/4 of an inch by this bottle.
Okay.
Okay. So what I usually do is I look at it and I put my thumb right there where I want it to stop.
Yeah.
Pretty much. Just kind of
Oh, okay.
squeeze. I put a little bit more. See how that works for me?
Uh-huh. Yeah. Okay.
That's how, about 1/4 of an inch, or 3/4 of an inch. Not quite an inch. 3/4 of an inch.
Okay, and you're starting from where?
From the top of wherever the oil is.
Okay, you go
And I move down to about.
Okay, 3/4 of an inch. Got
Yeah.
it.
And I just
Okay.
put my thumb there so I remember where that's at.
Good thing you clarified that, because if that thing was full, I would hold my thumb down here and keep draining
Yeah,
until it
no.
gets all the way down to there. That
No.
would be too much, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's how I gauge it.
Okay, about 3/4 of an inch.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oil. And then your vinegar. 3 very full capfuls.
Oh, okay.
1. Very full. 2. You can even go a little bit over on that third
Okay.
one. stir with a spoon that has no handle.
Oh, okay.
Works great. And it is done.
Why, thank you very much.
And you want to do it kind of early because you want that to marinate in that juice.
Okay,
That's
so
why I like
the
to do
earlier
it.
in the day you make it, the longer it's going to
The
do.
longer it marinates,
So
the better it gets.
I don't want to do this when I cook chicken at 3 o'clock in the afternoon.
I do it in the morning.
Okay.
But, you know, you could because it sits overnight. Well, no, because you just make it.
Right.
And there's already onions in there.
Awesome.
So
I'll use those up.
use the ones in the square
Okay.
first, or put them on your lunch or whatever.